Thank you for checking out Epower USA. My name is Vincent with another e-bicycle review. Today we're checking out the Eunorau Fat Step Foldable Step-Thru electric bicycle. I really like this. This is a very practical, very handy, kind of an all-purpose, smaller tire e-bicycle. It folds, and this is something that you can see and take with you on a commuter train, or if you're traveling and you need to transport it in a van, or if you want it to be with you at all times, you can store it in the trunk of your car. So this is a very, very handy, a very practical e-bicycle, and I think this is fun. Like I said, it's small, packable, and you can bring it with you pretty much anywhere, whether it be vacation or maybe you're hanging out on a weekend up north or somewhere in the cabin. This is very, very handy. You can take it with you everywhere. So if you're in the market, you definitely want to check this one out. It's reasonably priced. For more information, do check out our website, Epower USA. And my name is Vincent.